20% of videos shown to it's new YouTube. Interesting. To new YouTube users is AI slop, apparently. There's a study that found this. It suggests that we try it in an incognito tab.
I thought, why don't we do a fun little casual experiment?
Would this make us a new user?
A non-scientific experiment. I mean, it seems to think we are a new user. Is this seriously? What?
This is how it goes. This is unironically how it goes.
This is the first time accessing YouTube experience?
Yep. I have experienced this recently. This is how it goes.
Try searching to get started. No, I won't.
No, you will. I bet you can go on Shorts. I bet you Shorts will work. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Is it AI slop or not?
I don't want to do all Shorts. This does not seem like AI slop. I would technically have no way of knowing for sure. I mean, it doesn't have to be AI to be slop.
Yeah, what?
Oh my God, who cares?
Shorts suck, dude.
Okay. What, is this a new Shorts format? This square? Like, is
interesting.
And is this thing on the left just like Subway Surfers? Like,
yeah, it must be.
Okay.
No.
This is an ad.
Sick, dude. Is this line dancing?
I don't know, but it's pretty good. This has so many filters on it that it's hard to tell the difference between this and AI. I like literally can't really tell the difference. That looks real.
That's clogging?
Hey,
okay, sure.
It's this thing again.
These big ones.
It's this thing. So there's just like...
That's interesting.
It's just like kind of oddly satisfying stuff on the left.
And there's a blur between it.
Yeah.
And they've all had blurs between it.
So the idea is just that you... Okay. My brain just kind of hurts right now. You know what? I gotta say, it doesn't seem like...
I'm not seeing a ton of AI slop.
I'm not... This could be...
Not obvious AI slop.
I mean, there's definitely AI-powered filter garbage. Oh, this is sponsored. Okay, so that's an ad.
This is not going to be AI slop either.
Okay, all right. So
we didn't get much, but we only looked at Shorts.
Yeah, we only looked at Shorts. Okay, if I go back... Oh, hey, look at this. If I go back to home...
Now you've looked at Shorts, so now you can see it.
Yep, okay.
So that's not slop.
Nope. Well, it's not AI. Ryan Trahan is... I actually don't know. Are his videos good?
I have no idea.
Okay, cool. I opened a fake McDonald's drive-thru.
It's not slop.
I mean, that logo looks like AI slop.
Okay, but...
Yeah. Okay, ad.
We didn't get any in the Shorts, but as far as my understanding goes, there is an incredible amount in Shorts.
Yeah.
Is that Outdoor Boys again?
What's Outdoor Boys?
Let's go.
Oh, this. Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so that's real.
Not AI slop.
Ad.
Confirmed.
Not AI slop. So is
We're really not getting 20%.
So here's a question. I mean, okay. This is AI. I've seen these before. This just like crap hits a window, garbage.
Got it. Okay.
So that's one.
That thing on the end with the boba tea thing definitely might be, but I don't think we should click on it to check.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think we should click on it to check.
I don't know, dude. It looks like probably to me.
Yeah, I think this is probably.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yep.
That last one.
Yep. Okay. So in this one, we're at 40% AI slop right here.
Shorts, in my interpretation, which I have a thing that blocks shorts now, but shorts were a lot of it. Especially, I started getting into some Warhammer lore stuff while I was working on things, just listening to it.
Yeah.
And there is an incredible amount of AI voiced, AI art Warhammer stuff, which is unfortunate.
So I was actually about to say, I do wonder if part of the reason that new users are getting shown such a high percentage of AI slop is that, and this is going to break your brains, that's what they click on and enjoy.
Dang.
Because we can see here that while there is clearly AI slop that's just going to be shown to you immediately on the platform.
I'm also wondering when this study happened, because if it was around Christmas time, I don't know when the study captured its data. I know it came out sort of around Christmas time. Yeah, Saturday, 27th of December. A lot of the Yule log videos were very clearly AI slop. Like one that we saw had, it was snowing in the fireplace. Because it was snowing outside out the window, and it was also snowing in the fireplace.
The really frustrating part about that is that the greatest Yule log video already exists, so it's not necessary for any new Yule log videos to be made.
We were talking about this before the show. I think there's one critical error and one minor error with this video.
This is the only Yule log video that you'll ever need.
With the actual video itself, I think there is, one critical error, one minor error.
Because it is available in 8K, meaning that it is ready for any future TV you may ever own. Quality Yule log video.
My sick brain can't think of it right now.
Good, because this is a perfect...
Dennis and Linus things.
The stockings.
The stockings are very out of place.
No, they're exactly where they belong.
No, they're weird.
They're in the perfect place, and if you criticize this Yule log video, you're basically...
No, they're weird.
You're basically saying that the slop videos need to exist.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
That's basically it.
Nope. So there's no Christmas music on it. There's just crackling fire, which is pretty sick. But for people that want Christmas music, that means you need another thing playing the music, which might be okay. We worked around that. We did. We Bluetooth pucked the receiver.
Oh, did you really?
And played Christmas music and then had that on the TV. But every single time I've put it on, someone has commented that the stockings are weird. Every single time I've put it on.
I'll tell you what. Here's what we could do.
And every place that I've gone that has had a Yule log video playing, and I'm like, hey, there's this better one, I can put it on. They go, oh, but it doesn't have the music. And I'm like, ugh. And then that was worth fixing at my parents' place with the Bluetooth plug, blah, blah, blah. But it's not necessarily even really possible elsewhere. These are my concerns.
All right, I'll tell you what, okay? We get AI to generate us an 8-hour Christmas song. And we get AI to generate us a new stocking, and then you'll be happy.
Like, I understand the music licensing is like a huge problem, which is why it isn't there. And personally, I actually really just like the firecracking.
Yeah, this is quality.
I think it's great.
This is as nature intended.
But the people have spoken and they want music. And this has been a problem for me. I feel like I'm going to have to start having like a default kit that I go to Christmas events with that has Bluetooth pucks in it.
No, it's the children that are wrong. I couldn't be the one who's out of touch.
The stockings, though, I get it. The stockings are pretty weird.
The stockings are a little weird, I think.
Stockings are pretty weird.
Yeah, well...
And you could technically solve that.
With AI.
You could also solve it with not AI. Because you could just like basically sticker on a stocking on top of it.
We could do that. Yeah, we could do different stockings. We could put some music on it. Or hear me out. We already spent enough money on this stupid, weird project. I shouldn't say stupid.
It's actually pretty sick.
Because it is
a good video.
The pitch was kind of brilliant. At the time, YouTube was heavily rewarding watch time, both in terms of AdSense and in terms of like channel promotion. So this was a James initiative. He was like, we should do a tech Yule log.
I think it's awesome. I'm very happy that we have one.
We'll do the highest resolution Yule log ever. And I was like,
fantastic.
Let it never be said that I don't, provide the support that's needed for out-of-the-box projects, go for it. And so we made it. I think it was him and Brandon that basically like camped out there for 8 hours, stoking the fire and recording this, making sure that like
freaking awesome,
that the camera media kept getting changed and stuff.
Partway through the video, a log falls out of the fire.
Oh yeah, there's some stuff that happens.
You can see some like spikes in the video timeline because people clearly scrub through it to find it. So I went to the biggest one, which I think is when it happens. The video's so long that like trying to snipe the right timestamp is going to be tough.
Oh yeah, 100%. I don't know. I don't know when it happened. And this is probably stored on tape somewhere for most of the year, and then makes its way to the Edge servers. Oh, you know what? There's probably someone in the comments has it. Pretty much guarantee that.
Yep. Boom.
Oh, okay.
Boink,
hold
boink.
on. Back to your laptop. Oh, well, okay, we missed it, Luke.
It's okay. Just wait.
Okay.
Just wait.
I'm waiting.
Just wait.
I'm waiting.
Wait! You need to have patience.
I have patience.
In the holiday season. There it goes.
Oh, yikes.
Bang. And it starts smoking like crazy. And then our hero enters left, I believe.
Yeah, I think that's where he was sitting. And this is why we needed to make sure we were supervising this.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, it took a while to figure out what to do about it.
Just in case you thought this wasn't a real, an actual fireplace, real U-log video.
Yep.
But one of the logs fell out. So yes, it is.
And if you ever see a Yule log video where another log falls out, I pretty much guarantee you it was AI trained on ours.
Yeah. There's a dog that wanders around every once in a while and stuff. Wow, he really takes his time. It really burnt in there. I assumed he was just off camera, like reading a book or something, but
I've never actually
skipping forward
seen this to see how long it takes to.
Wow.
Are you a full minute?
Oh yeah.
Further in?
Whoa. Was he in like the kitchen or the bathroom or something? I've brought up where he picks up the log, but I always scrub to find it. I didn't check the comments because I'm dumb.
So did he just wait for it to go out?
Wow. I'm getting quite far into it being down there.
Yeah, yes, that is an EVGA card on the left. Wait, are you just queuing up the skip? Has it actually skipped? Oh no, okay.
It usually skips instantly.
Yeah, okay. All right. Wow, I'm mesmerized. I want to know what's going to happen.
You can actually see the skipping in the fireplace.
Yeah, you can if you're good, I guess. I'm just not.
Whoa, dude.
I need to get good.
Whoa, dude. Come on.
How many minutes into this are we? I mean, I guess if it's clearly not lighting anything on fire, then if you don't have
258, like, someone's saying?
A big grabber.
We're jumping way ahead.
Okay. Oh boy. It's struggling to load what you already Oh.
It's still there.
Wow. Wait. He put a new log in but didn't pick that one up? And there was a grabber the whole time?
Wait, new log in.
Yeah, there's a new log in there. You have to authenticate it in your email.
Oh, man. Yeah.
What?
All right. Well,
hey, that's the first ding of the new year.
I skipped too far back now, so I'm going to go back up.
Way to go, Luke.
Let's see what happens. So we're at 258 now.
Okay, here we go. Nice reindeer ears.
I love how he
comes in with the tongs. There's like a melted spot.
Yeah, you can see it, and that's on a pelt, by the way.
Oh God! Did we ever compensate whoever's pelt that is?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Yikes!